What just happened? This is once in a lifetime. Must be.
Like elephant steps. Hi there, we're Wasaniko, and our time in Malaysia is unfortunately coming to an end. This country has given us memories we'll never forget. But for our final chapter, it's time to disappear into the Bornean jungle in search for the legendary Borneo Big 5. This is the wildest part of our journey yet, and it starts right here on Kinabatangan River. So grab a cup, sit back, and join us for the grand finale of our adventure.
That's us for the next 2 nights.
Thank you.
Planning to hang out here, no problem. Just make sure don't jump into the river.
Let's show up at our hotel. Like, I'm gonna stop trying. Like, that's it.
Seen everything?
Yeah.
Hi. Thank you. Hello. Thank you.
Nice shirt. Chin-chin. We just arrived at our lunch. Right away, we're welcome with drinks and nice towel and lunch.
Let's check out the rooms.
Best part. Not best part. Nice part.
Very cold.
I'm gonna leave it for you. We have a roommate.
I think more roommates. Very nice.
Good to be more
Basic.
basic. I mean, it's basic.
It's basic.
You switch on hot water and aircon till 10:30, so I'm gonna survive.
On. And after with this.
So we don't turn off the aircon before 10:30, okay? Because the room needs to be as cold as possible before.
Buckle up.
Off we go. A lot of rain. We're soaked.
We're literally soaked. Stuck to my skin. How long is the boat ride?
An hour?
Monkey! A macaca! It's big.
What's big?
The river.
It's 600 kilometers.
Oh. Not gonna cover that much ground, right? Elephant!
Elephant?
Elephant!
Where you saw?
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
There's more there. There's one more there. They're all over, like all around there as well. Oh my god! Look at this. We're going so close. Wow.
Sorry about the rock. You didn't say anything because I don't want to, break your heart.
Oh. Oh. Like, it's so rare this.
I said 3 minutes, but I turned it to 10 minutes.
protecting the baby, standing, see, the side. It's very common. Every elephant around the world will do the same thing. If there's some sort of a danger, where there's gonna be a permanent danger or just assuming it's dangerous, adult will just come around, cover all the small ones, just like what she's doing there.
Bye.
That one I would say maybe around a year, more or less a year old.
The baby.
Yeah.
What just happened? We saw 3 elephants 3-4 meters away from us. 10 minutes, 15 minutes after we entered the boat. We left with the boat. Mind blowing. Mind blowing. Oh, there are more. Wow.
This is comparable to the field of 10 giraffes in Africa that we saw. No? No, there was like
Now the
a
other.
shore of 10 elephants.
One of my, I think one of our past travel experiences. I see some monkeys. Quite close to shore.
What is it? Orangutan.
Orangutan. Apparently we're close to an orangutan. We just don't see it. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I see it there. We saw elephants and orangutans within 2 minutes from each other. It's not gonna get any better.
I think he's observing us rather than the other way around. I've read some articles online that said some people do also 10 nights on the Kinabatangan River and many more cruises and still don't see elephants.
It's 15 minutes.
I think we're lucky. Soaked wet. But we saw elephants. Gonna go change from the wet clothes. And we have dinner in half an hour. Quite hungry. The lens literally steamed from how cold it was inside and how warm it is here. Can you tell we're hungry? We're the first ones.
First one, dinner.
Morning.
Good morning.
Very early morning. It is
Not even 6.
6 a.m. We have a very early boat tour to see more wildlife, even though yesterday was amazing.
I'm not sure what's gonna top that.
Yeah.
So, right now, 6 a.m. seems way too early for.
A bit dramatic.
Yeah. But maybe we're gonna be surprised.
Well, elephant crossing the water from one shore to the other would be like people come here and do 10 cruises to see that. So maybe that's what we're gonna see today. I don't know. After the boat, I think we're gonna do a jungle walk. Not really sure because depending on the weather, they change a bit the program. Let's
And
go
it rained
ask.
a lot yesterday, so
Yeah.
as
Let's-
you could have seen.
Let's go ask the guide. What's the plan? Life jackets are
ours and keep them in the room.
To dry. Amongst our clothes. Okay, let's go.
What was that? Anyway, so many sounds around. Like, you just need to ignore them. Otherwise, you can be very paranoid in the internet.
Here we go.
Sideways.
All nice and wet for us, the boats already.
Yeah? Oh, lovely. I'm a bit hungry. I hope the elephants are as hungry. I hope the elephants are as hungry. So they come out and
Male up there. That's a male proboscis.
These your ancestors, the Dutchmen.
How many times are you gonna recycle this joke?
As many as it requires.
As it takes for me to recognize my ancestors. We're so close to a family of monkeys.
Oh, look at the baby. Are you calling the crocs?
Mm-hmm. Oh, worked.
Baby croc. We have one brain cell this morning. We're looking for the baby crocodile.
One eternity later.
Breakfast.
About to starve, so.
You look like you're on quarantine.
You need to wear those socks to prevent leeches. Sucking all your blood away. Because we're gonna go for a safari walk.
When you go into the jungle, not only you are using your eyesight, but you also use your nose and your ear to observe the surrounding. Yeah. Some animal you don't see, but you smell and you also hear them. I'll see you next week.
Comforting. Was it my ranger?
I'll protect us from the flies.
Yeah, you look like you're going on a serious walk. All we're gonna see is trees.
Oh, elephants use this throw.
Elephants. Oh,
From the
yes?
elephant area.
Okay.
And then the elephant coming here.
Elephant area?
around the lodge here.
Do you see them often, or?
But I see the elephants in jungle. One day coming here, the elephant. Very close. Oh, really?
Dangerous, or?
Maybe they get there.
Maybe they. Hopefully our luck follows us. And the elephants are gonna walk in front. Just to say hi, not to cause any trouble.
I just see myself for the first time. Funny. This trail is being used by elephants, occasionally orangutans and macacas, but also lots of insects like spiders, leeches, and other things, and maybe snakes. We didn't see snakes yet, but I'm a bit mixed about whether I want to see them or not. I mean, a bit far away would be nice, but I don't want to see a 8-meter python up close.
Don't get lost. Come.
The grasshopper caught my attention.
There's elephant poop here. Elephant poop! In the steps. See?
For scale.
Look.
Oh wow.
Crow. In here.
A what?
Crow.
Crow.
You
Oh.
see?
Yeah.
The tiny one, yeah?
Uh-huh.
Crow. Croc.
No. Like a bird crow, no? Oh, frog.
Frog. Frog.
Oh, frog.
Okay, see it? Yeah.
Oh, it's tiny. It's an elephant mark where they scratch their backs. They go like.
Oh, I see a baby elephant.
I'm not taking it.
You're coming here, yeah, but the elephant trail here is a very muddy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the trail here. With the elephant. Sometimes coming here, around yellow tree.
Didn't walk with elephants.
The elephants walk with you.
But we saw weird caterpillars, long-legged spiders, a proboscis monkey.
Yeah, the walk was not very successful. We saw a lot of elephant steps and elephant poop, but no elephants.
How much did we pay for this? Per person?
Like 350?
350 per person.
Not that crazy.
Tonight's all meals included, transportation included.
All the
To
tours
and from.
included.
Yeah. Nice.
No. It's basic, but it's nice.
We'll see you in the next boat ride.
Bye. Nico is napping, but we're being visited by monkeys.
We're napping peacefully in between safaris. Safari came to the door. Suddenly heard everyone screaming and running. Is it annoy the tourists time? O'clock. Here we go again with the sun this time. Last safari of the trip. Oh my god! Hi! Hello, monkey. These ones have like a haircut.
They're sitting on the bank, counting boats, how many passing by.
Seeing crocodile?
Crocodile, 1 o'clock.
It's not bad.
You should be able to get good one there.
Oh my god.
You see it?
We're revisiting the elephant herd.
Bye, crocodile. You should call it Crocky.
Rocky.
Bye, Crocky.
You've seen the Borneo Big 5 now? Elephants, I see them.
There's so many. There's a huge one as well.
Now when it's small enough to fit in it, just takes the whole packet, flips it at the arrow, gobbles it up.
My god, there's like 20 elephants there.
Stand on the bench.
Speechless.
Sorry.
Hi, lunch. What will we spot on the way back?
The biggest crocodile of Asia.
Okay, we have exactly 5 minutes.